Poco Pop Buds are official. There has been voting going on for the past couple weeks or so in Xiaomi's forums about the name for their newest budget pair of true wireless headphones. Now, the Poco Pop Buds are going to be an international release. But don't think that Xiaomi made these headphones just for the international people, just like they didn't make the Poco F2 Pro just for the international people. Just like the Poco F2 Pro, the Poco Pop Buds are going to be a rebadge of something that we already have from Xiaomi. The Poco Pop Buds are going to be, or are speculated to be, a rebadged version of the Mi Air 2 SE headphones that have been launched in China. I'm going to quickly cover the specs of the Mi Air 2 SE, how they compare to the specs of the Mi Air 2 headphones, and then whether or not they're a good deal for kind of like the average consumer. Now, the Mi Air 2 headphones are going to feature a 14.2 millimeter driver, the same driver that's in the Mi Air 2 S headphones and the Mi Air 2 headphones. They're going to feature the infrared in-ear detection, so they know when they're in your ears and will play and pause depending upon if they are in your ears. They're going to feature a smart charging case where you open the lid and they begin to pair with your device. The case is said to deliver around 20 hours of battery life total with the headphones, which is nice to see. I think 20 hours is a very, very kind of good starting place for battery on headphones. I generally like to see at least 30 hours in the charging case, but I think 20 hours is totally acceptable, especially when the case is small. The case won't feature Qi wireless charging like the Mi Air 2 S headphones do, and the Poco Pop Buds, as well as the Mi Air 2S headphones, are going to feature dual microphones for environmental noise cancellation on calls, which makes these headphones a really compelling pair of headphones if you care about call quality, which is something that on my next pair of headphones I need. I'm in the process of selling all of my truly wireless headphones, and I need a pair of headphones in the 2 or 3 pairs of headphones that I will keep to be a good pair of video conferencing or calling headphones. So I think these headphones really might fit the bill. Now, the biggest complaint and the biggest unknown about the Poco Pop Buds is going to be their app integration. Now, we know from Xiaomi's other headphones that they are going to feature a pop-up animation when you open up the case. That will show you how much battery life the headphones and the case have, which is really, really nice. Now, my biggest complaint about the Mi Air 2, which I've already reviewed, link up here, is that in order to get the most value out of these headphones in regards to being able to reprogram the controls, the voice assistant ability just to like kind of speak to them, you need to use the Xiao AI app, which is a Chinese only app, and to me makes these headphones not that great of a deal. If Xiaomi does release a firmware update for the devices, which does give you the ability to customize them in MIUI, I think that's awesome. If they gave us a standalone app, I would like that better because that means people outside of the MIUI world would be able to get the full value from these. Now, the way that Xiaomi is going to differentiate the Poco Pop Buds from the more expensive Mi Air 2S headphones is going to be one with the case. The case of the Mi Air 2S is going to feature Qi wireless charging. It's also going to be audio codec support. The Mi Air 2S featured the LHDC audio codec for low latency, high quality audio, whereas the Poco Pop Buds are probably only going to support AAC and SBC audio codecs. So if you want a pair of headphones to watch movies with, watch YouTube, play video games, you're going to want the more expensive pair of headphones because the latency is going to be an issue. They're not going to feature aptX because aptX is Qualcomm only, and these aren't utilizing a Qualcomm chipset. Both of these pairs of headphones are going to feature the same driver, pretty much the same sound. They're going to have a different case with a different audio codec, and that's going to essentially be it. I think that for the average consumer, a big question that you have to ask is that if Xiaomi doesn't give us a standalone app for these headphones, is there a reason to buy these over the Realme Buds? Is there a reason to buy them over fake AirPods? I've been using a pair of really good high quality fake AirPods with the Apple H1 or W1 chip, whatever the chip is, for a while now. They feature great playback control, stable connection, pretty good sound, super small case that is of similar quality to that of the real AirBuds or AirPods. And if Xiaomi doesn't give us integration, I don't see a reason to buy the Xiaomi headphones over the fake AirPods, especially if you can get fake AirPods for cheaper. Which headphones do you want me to review next? The Mi Air 2S, the Mi Air 2 SE. I'm not going to review another pair of headphones from Hailu. I'm not going to do the T15s. Sorry. And more importantly than not, are you going to buy the Mi Air 2 headphones, or are you going to buy the Poco Pop Buds because you're on a budget? Let me know in the comment section down below. And until next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.